A hero is someone who cares for others. A hero is someone who helps people. A hero is someone who helps people because they care for them. My dad is my hero. My dad was born and raised on Guam. My dad is 31 years old. My dad has 3 brothers and 4 sisters. He is the youngest out of 7 kids. Then he met my mom and married her. He has 3 kids. I am the oldest and the only boy. My dad was a lifeguard for 9 years. He taught me how to swim. My dad also prevents people from drowning and he saves lives. One time, a man cut his head at the beach. My dad gave first aid to the man as they wait for the paramedics to come. My dad is my hero because he has served in the military for 12 years. My dad started in the Army. Now he's in the Navy. When my dad was in the Army, he had to go to Japan to protect his country. My dad is a caring person. My dad cares for me, and he also cares for his nation. He is my hero because he is in the Navy. I admire my dad because he is in the Navy, because he also helped me and my mom give birth to me. I want to be like my dad because he is caring, kind, helpful, and loving. I want to be like my dad because he sacrifices for his family. My dad is a great hero. Yay!